In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use NordVPN on your Amazon Fire TV stick. So the first thing we need to do is to install NordVPN. To do this, we want to make sure we are on the home page for our Fire Stick, and then you want to scroll all the way across to the app drawer. From here, you want to open the application store. Once you've opened the application store, it will look like this. From here, we want to scroll across to the search tab, and then you want to click on the search bar. From here, we just want to search for NordVPN. Once you've searched for NordVPN, it should be the first result and it should look like this. All we need to do now is click into the application page, and from here it's going to tell you more about it. All you need to do now is click on the Get button in the middle of the screen, and once it's been installed, you want to go ahead and open the application. When NordVPN opens, you'll be greeted to the home page. However, we can't use the VPN because we are not signed in. So you want to click on the Login button, and then you want to go ahead and log into your VPN account. You can either log in via this QR code, or you can click on Login manually at the bottom, and here we can log into our details using our username and password. However, if you don't have a NordVPN account, you want to click on the link in the description below to register for your account. Once you've registered, you can then go ahead and log into the application. Once you are logged into your NordVPN account, you then have access to the application. So it's very easy to use. Here at the top you'll have all of your recently accessed servers, and below you can browse via all of these server countries that NordVPN has to offer. You'll also have specialty servers below that, along with other features and settings NordVPN has to offer. However, in this example, we want to access US Netflix even though we are from the UK. So how do we do that? Well, the first thing we need to do is to connect to a US server, so we can trick Netflix into thinking we are from the US. So I'm just going to scroll across until we get to the US. And once we've found the United States servers, we just want to click on it, and within a few seconds it's going to connect me to the fastest available United States server, so we are browsing the internet as if we are from the US. Once we are successfully connected, we can go back to the home page, and we can load our favourite streaming service of choice. In this case it's going to be Netflix. Once Netflix has loaded, you notice the content hasn't refreshed, and that's because Netflix doesn't recognise our new country. So to get it to recognise it, we need to go to the left hand side menu, and then you want to click on the Get Help menu at the very bottom. From here it's going to show you your country/language, and as you can see it currently says GB, and that's because I'm currently in Great Britain. However, we want to update it to the US, so we just want to scroll all the way down, and you want to click on Reload Netflix. So once Netflix has reloaded, you notice the content has updated, and that's because we are now viewing the US version of Netflix. So we can go ahead and pick TV show to watch. In this case I'm going to watch this one. And here we can go ahead and play the TV show just as we normally would. And that's it. So to remember to click on the link in the description below to register for a NordVPN account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.